Today, students learned how to plant their very own vegetables. We explored the basics of gardening by planting corn, bok choy, chili, and papaya. Students got their hands dirty while learning about soil, seeds, and what each plant needs to grow strong and healthy. A fun, hands-on experience that sparked curiosity and care for nature. This one is called green brinjal. Green brinjal. Look, first we need to pick the right variety. We need green long, Thai green, or green globe, depending on the climate and the desired size. We need to plant in the warm season, and the temperature needs to be between 20 and 30 degrees. Seeds, we need to start the seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, or sow it directly outdoors in a tropical climate, which we are in. Soil. The pH level needs to be between 6 and 6.8. We need to put the seeds about a quarter inch into the ground, and we need to put them about 18 to 24 inches apart. We need 45 to 60 centimeters between plants, and we need the rows to be about 2 to 3 feet apart. We must transplant the seedlings when they are 4 to 6 inches tall and have at least 4 leaves. All right, next. Next, does anyone know what this is? This is called papaya. Papaya. First, we must collect papaya seeds. We need to select a fully ripened papaya with greenish yellow to golden yellow skin that is slightly soft. We need to cut the papaya in half and scoop out the seeds. Then we need to remove the seed coat. To do this, place the papaya seeds in a container with water and soak them overnight. Then pour the seeds into a fine mesh strainer, gently rub the seeds against the strainer to brush off the seed coat, and then rinse the seeds to remove the remaining pulp. Then we let the seeds dry. Spread them on a paper towel and tuck them in the warm, dark place for a week. After the seeds are dry, seal them in paper envelopes, label and date the envelopes, and store the seeds in a cool chili. Chili. Good. How to plant chili. Pick a chili that suits your climate and spice preference. Jalapeno, bird's eye, habanero, and cayenne. Spicy, yes. Start with seeds or seedlings. For seeds, we can start indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. From seedlings, you can buy young plants and for faster results. First, we must prepare the soil. We need well-draining soil rich in organic matter. We need soil with a pH of 6 to 7. We must add compost or aged manure to enrich the soil. We need to space the seeds 12 to 18 inches apart. Seeds should be planted a quarter inch deep and up. Let's get ready to plant. All right, are you ready? Woo! Let's get our seeds.
เรามาปลูกต้นไม้กันเถอะปลูกแล้วอย่าทำเลอะเทอะช่วยกันปลูกเยอะๆปลูกเรามาปลูกต้นไม้กันเถอะปลูกแล้วอย่าทำเลอะเทอะช่วยกันปลูกเยอะๆต้นไม้ให้ร่มเงาให้เราเย็นสบายอากาศจะดีถ้ามีต้นไม้ช่วยหายใจปลูกเรามาปลูกต้นไม้กันเถอะปลูกแล้วอย่าทำเลอะเทอะช่วยกันปลูกเยอะๆปลูกเรามาปลูกต้นไม้กันเถอะปลูกแล้วอย่าทำเลอะเทอะช่วยกันปลูกเยอะๆสวัสดีครับเด็กๆเตรียมอุปกรณ์ปลูกต้นไม้ให้พร้อมนะครับเตรียมจอบเตรียมเสียมให้ดีนะครับเด็กๆ 1 2 3 let's go ใครชอบแอปเปิ้ลก็ไปปลูกแอปเปิ้ลใครชอบมะละกอก็ไปปลูกมะละกอใครชอบกินกล้วยก็ไปปลูกต้นกล้วยใครชอบกินส้มก็ต้องไปปลูกส้มปลูก